Hey, this is Dr. Ophir Isaac. Last attempt. I know I tried contacting you and letting you know a little bit about why you should have continued with the physical therapy approach that we have, the active approach that can help you get back to normal, get off of the medications, no injections, and avoid surgery. You responded to the ad that I put out there. You came to the workshop, you listened to me ramble on. You know how passionate I am about it. And you actually watched me treat somebody and get successful outcome. My question is why you didn't come back. And one of the reasons may be, listen, you have a life. Everybody has a life. We're all busy, right? We all have families and things to take care of, jobs. But, you know, one of my favorite quotes that I've seen in a dentist's office, if I remember the quote was, you don't take care of your teeth and they can just disappear, right? But people don't take care of their bodies like they take care of their teeth, right? Our bodies also break down, right? And we have to take care of something that's warning us, right? If we have something small that's happening to us right now, we're having pain, it's better that we treat it right now at this point before it becomes really, really bad. Let me tell you a quick story. I had a guy that, you know, the same thing happened to him. He actually is a dentist. His name is Sam, and he called me up after going to multiple different doctors who were treating him passively with chiropractic care, manipulations, and they were passive treatments. He had some injections. He spent over $5,000. He couldn't be a dentist anymore. He couldn't work with his hands anymore. But you know what? It took him, 3 years to figure out that he had a really bad problem because he couldn't run anymore. He couldn't work anymore. Time is a commodity and you don't have a lot of it, but take care of your body. So give us a call at the office and see if you want to come in for a free screen where we can spend a little more time to kind of get to the root cause of what's bothering you so we can help you. Thanks.